Let me look at who else is creating a lot of customers in a similar niche. Not have to be the same thing, but similar field, industry. And how can I model a strategy that works to put what people are looking for in front of them instead of just making things and then not understanding how to get them to the people that want them. We have to understand who wants what I'm making. What's the demand for my particular gift in the marketplace, right? So it's aligning your passion, your purpose, your skill set, your experiences with a demand in the marketplace. What are people paying for? How much money do I want to make? You know, people can charge different prices for their speaking. The price you charge will determine the kind of client you attract. And your belief level and your ability to go after that particular client, present yourself to them and show them that you can provide what they're looking for. Your ability to do that will determine the level of success as well as your desires. So set your price and align with your ideal customer or your ideal partner or your ideal buyer, ideal collector, whatever that looks like for you in your niche. What is success? What would it mean to be successful?